this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is Ladies of YouTube. Our theme this month is going to be things with wings, and I chose butterflies. So we're going to be using these beautiful butterfly stickers, and I'm using these beautiful, beautiful leaf stickers to go with. I'm using some watercolors by Modelones. These are brand new. These are pearl metallic. I'm using the lime and the red. And these are gorgeous. I'm going to give these a quick little shake. And once you hear the balls start moving about, just continue to shake for just I don't know, a little bit, just a brief minute, just to know that they're thoroughly shaken. So, and as you can see, because they're watercolor, they do need to air dry. And I'm sure you hear my white noise behind me, which are my fans. So I'm going to do this snail. Let me remove my stickers. My stickers, my stickers. I got me my brush from Temu. It's a brush at one end and a dotting tool at the other. This is a metallic. And I'm just going to kind of swirl her about. Just swirl her about. Just give her a swirl. I think these are so beautiful. But she does need to air dry, so I'm going to sit her up here to the side so that she can catch some air from my fan. Again, this was the red metallic. I have also the blue and the purple. I am a brand ambassador for Modern, so if you need to make yourself a purchase, please use my code NAILEDIT67 at checkout. SheModern.com. I'm also an affiliate for Temu. Down in the description box, you will find my affiliate link. They've got all kinds of departments. If you've never been there, please, please, please go check out Temu, T-E-M-U. They've got beauty. I mean, they've got anything you want to do with nails. They've got it in dirt cheap prices. Fast shipping. Shipping is free. Yes, I said free. Free 90-day return shipping. Household, men's, women's, kids, toys, plush. You know, plush animals. I just household, kitchen, automotive, cars. It's crazy. And look at my new curved tweezers. Take a gander. Got these there too. Got my wax picker upper. I'm not pulling my bling case out. I'm using my littles from here. See if I'm putting my... Let's see, is she dry? Almost, almost. I got my oscillating fan on. Whoopsie. My top coat I'm using is my iGel Beauty No White top coat. With these nails here, I'm going to start putting my stickers on. And I'm going to ask if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. But please watch 3 to 5 minutes first, or else YouTube will consider it spam. And I don't want that, because they'll take the sub away. And I really don't want that to happen. I'm trying to get to my 1500. And pretty soon I'm going to start this early. A 1500 giveaway video. I'm going to start it really early. Let it build. Let her build. I love butterflies. I love them. I think they are beautiful. I think they're gorgeous. Down in the comments, first one pinned will be the playlist of everybody that made a video. So please click there and take a peek of everyone that took part. That way you can, you know, have a look-see. Support your channel, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to them. That would make me so happy. That would make me so happy. Oh, so happy. I wish I had a yellow leaf here, but I don't. And I'm gonna waste time fiddling around with stickers and don't know what color to put where. This should be my bling mail technically, right here, this red one. We put some flowers. Put some flowers. I love this color butterfly. It reminds me of the one I tattooed on my thigh, listen to me lie, my calf. Trying to stay in frame. Trying to stay in frame. Well, I leave room for leaves, but I don't know if that's gonna happen too well. Maybe this one will fit over here. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Oh, shoot. There just went off. Oh, I can't put that there. Whole bunch of water. Can't put that there. I told you I'm a clumsy girl. Clumsy girl. Oh well. This will be my bling mail. So let's see here. What do we have? I think these stickers are so pretty. I think I had to have gotten them off of Amazon, maybe. I'm not really certain. Somebody could have given them to me. I'm not certain about that either. Somebody did, please forgive. I think this one is so pretty. So pretty. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know. Let's try for this one here. There we go. Still not too happy with this thumbnail. There we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let me take a look, see here now. Oh, look at those. The same many my bling blacks out here. We'll do this one first. But what should we put? See these two. Ooh, it sounds loose. Sure enough, it is. Both these wax picker uppers came from Temu. Love, love, love them. They got multiple colors. Let me see. What should we put? Well, where'd it go? Big old hunk rubber diamond. Oh, pick that. Where'd it go? How's that look? How does that look? What do you think, girls? Get this over here. Whoa. Dropping some bottles. So I'm going to put this in the lamp for a quick 60. Now my other nails. I'm going to top coat one by one. And put some bling on. We are. So make sure you check out the other lady's channels. I greatly appreciate it. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Hey, where's my bling at? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Nonetheless. I know some of the girls did some really, really beautiful manicures. Cannot wait for you to see them. Cannot wait. They show some really beautiful things. Things with wings. Okay, last but not least, our thumbnail. This thumbnail is so big, I couldn't get over it, I had to use it. I just had to. Here, this is gorilla size. I had to use it though. Gotta show it some love too. Whoops, I didn't get anything on that pickup. Gotta show it some love. Gotta use it too. So if you enjoyed my manicure, we are finito. Here we go. I'm gonna pop her in the lamp for 60. Alright, we're back. Our nails are finished as you see. Give you a little bit closer of a peek. I think these turned out really, really super cute. Loving the bling on each one, a little bit of a sparkle. I'm loving the stickers, the butterfly stickers. I love this too. So let me comment down below, let me know what you think of my things with wings. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.